A very good afternoon to one and all. I welcome all to the first day of the two-day intercollegiate workshop on open source tools for creative design, organized by IQAC and Department of Computer Science of Shri Krishnaswamy College for Women. It will be auspicious to start any moment with a prayer song. Let us all join for the prayer song. It is a great pleasure and privilege for me to welcome our guest speaker, Dr. M. Anita Indu, Head, Department of Computer Applications, Shri Shankarlal Sundarbai Shasun, Jain College for Women, Chennai. Dr. M. Anita Indu has completed her doctorate as a full-time research scholar in National Institute of Technical Teachers Training and Research, Chennai. She is currently associated as HOD in Computer Applications Department at Shri Shankarlal Sundarbai Shasun, Jain College for Women, Chennai. She has a long track record of working as assistant professor and had also received Best Teacher Award for her devoted service rendered in the field of education by Lions Club of Chennai. She has published many journals and authored books. Her areas of interest are mobile app development, usage of ICT, object-oriented programming languages, and Internet of Things. Welcome you, ma'am. On the onset, I warmly welcome our chairman, Sri M.A.K. Balakrishnan sir, and directors, Mr. K.B.K. Rajmohan sir, Mr. K.B. Arun sir, Mr. K.B. Krishnanand sir for their kind consentment in organizing this program. I warmly welcome our beloved Dean, Dr. R. Revati ma'am, esteemed Principal, Dr. Anita Rajendran ma'am, who always guide, lead, and motivate us in all our endeavors. My hearty welcome to all the overwhelming participants from colleges in and around our host state and also various other states. Now may I request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Anita Rajendran ma'am, to address the session and give her valuable inputs to our participants. Over to you, ma'am.
A very good afternoon. It's a great pleasure for me to be part of this 2 days workshop on open source tools for creative design, organized by IQAC and Department of Computer Science of a college. Dr. Anita Indu is a resource person. Thank you, madam, so much. I hope this 2 days workshop will be of great use to our students and to other students also who are joining us. And I take this opportunity to congratulate the Department of Computer Science for doing so much and taking so much of initiative and pain for organizing many other things and today's workshop also. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. It's now high time to open the session by Dr. M. Anita Indu, Head, Department of Computer Applications, Shri Shankarlal Sundarbai Shasun, Jain College for Women. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. I will share my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
It's getting loaded, ma'am.
Okay.
It's visible, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Good afternoon to all the students. And today we have the session. Ma'am has introduced me, so I need not introduce myself. And today's session is...
Ma'am,
yes,
sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is little low, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear now, ma'am?
Still it's low, ma'am.
Okay. Open source tools. Now, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's okay, ma'am? Is it clear?
It's better, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Okay. If there is any disturbances, please tell me, ma'am.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now the topic is open source tools for creative design. Okay, so all of the students, you might have heard about the open source tools, because in our day-to-day life we have been using many tools, and as nowadays the sessions are fully online, you are using many tools, and as a faculty many teachers will be using the source open source tools for their online classes also. Okay, so as a student today I am going to tell you about, there are some tools which are helpful for us to design, that is which are helpful for us to design some of the necessary items for us. Okay, suppose if any assignments have been given, or suppose faculty tells you to prepare ppt to take the seminars, so you can, there are many ways in which you can creatively design the things, and you can showcase your talent very well. Okay, so we will just look on some of the tools today. Okay. Today mainly I am going to focus about the Google Sites and Canva. Okay, if you have any doubts please put in the chat box so that we can clarify your doubts now and then. Okay, so this is the Google Site and Canva which we are going to see today. Okay, now first is the Google Site. First I will tell you what is Google Sites. Now Google Site, it is one of the open tool which is used for designing the websites. Okay, now you may ask what is the use of website. Okay, but website, it is not only for our academic sites, you can personally use these websites in order to design your resume, or in order to design your any activity, or suppose if your parents are working in any organization, for them you can design it. Okay, likewise for your personal use you can design the websites. Mainly you can design the website for yourself, for yourself. Okay, suppose now I am Anita, so I will design a website of my name itself. Okay, so that is the main benefit of using the Google Sites. Ma'am, is my voice clear? Radha ma'am, is my voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, so this is the use of the Google site. Okay, now this tool, where it is available and how to use it, I will tell you, and I will also give you a live demo for that. Okay, now see this is the Google site. It is used for the students to make use of it, and it is very safe. Okay, now we are using many things in the play stores, we are just loading it. Some of them are very unsafe for us, but this is the site which is safe because it is through the Google website. Okay, through the Google they have developed it, and it is very safe for us. Okay, now what is the use of this? It is used, as I told you, we can create the website of your own. So for what purpose? Means you can collaborate with your friends by using these links. Okay, so you can have many contacts. Nowadays they are creating blogs, you are using Facebook, Twitters, blogs, everything you are using it. So in that, if you want to share your resume or anything, you can just share the link alone. Okay, only one time you can create the Google site website of your name, and you can share that link with your friends, so that it is just used for a collaboration. Okay, now next, it is one way of motivating a student. Now as a student, for my students, if they create that website, they become very happy. As a student you also feel very happy, oh, I have created a website for myself. So that is the initiative from where you can start. Okay, so this is used for motivating the students. And then to, you can share it, you can share with your friends, and it works well in the class. Okay, then what are the main ideas for which you are creating the website? First one, as I told you, it is for your personal thing. You can create a website, and you can create a website for many, for a textbook, or for a unit, or for a particular competition. Suppose nowadays there are many web based competitions. Okay, so you can develop a website for anything, not for yourself, for any particular organization you can create it, and then you can present it in the competition. Okay, and for your parent information portal, as I told you, if for your personal informations you can store it, or for your parents, if they have any shop and all, you can create a website for that particular shop. Okay, so like that, many things we can create the particular website. Okay, so these are the ideas for which you want you I need a website of my own. For these ideas you can implement it. Okay, so before going into this, first we must know for what purpose we are using the Google site. That's why I'm telling all these things. Okay, so once you have decided that I want a website for this purpose, first you should know what is the main, who is going to use it, the target or audience. Okay, who is going to use it, what is the purpose of your Google site, and how it should look, that the visual impact. Okay, because everything nowadays you might be opening many websites. So all these websites, some of the websites, by looking into itself, you know what is the purpose of it, and it must be very attractive so that others can make use of it, and it must be user friendly. That is the main thing. Okay, any website, it should be user friendly to you. So all these things you have to put it in your mind before designing a Google website. Okay, now how to create it? It is very simple. How you can use this http sites.google.com. Otherwise, I will tell you how to create the thing. See here, I will just give a short demo for that. You have to log in your mail id. Okay, from the mail id, the Google apps icon, okay, this icon, please click on that. And then here it is the sites. Okay, this is Google sites in which you can create the website. Okay, just click on this particular site. Otherwise, what you can do, www.sites.google.com, that also you can type it directly. Okay, so in this way you get the page where you can create the website. Here is a plus symbol. Suppose I want to create a new website, please click on the blank sheet. Okay, in the blank sheet you have to click it, and you will get a screen like this. Okay, this is the thing where you have to create the site. Okay, you can give a name for your site. Here you have to give the name, and this is the page where you have to design it. You can, there are many themes, no? See here, there are many themes. You can change the colors, you can change the fonts, everything you can change it. The way you want the thing, you can change it. Okay, and I can add on the pages here. See, this is the first page. Suppose this is my layout, the how the it should look. Suppose I want this particular thing like layout. You can change any different type of layout, the way in which you want your website to be. Okay, you can change any type of layouts. Okay, so first you have to come on to this, give a name for your site. Then these are the layouts where you can change it, and there are three tabs: insert, pages, and themes, which you can use it. Okay, now just I will be going on the website. Shortly I have designed that. I will just click on this. See, a sample website only, a site I have created for my department BCA. Okay, I have added the page here BCA. Okay, if you want to insert any image, you can just click on the change image. The image I have uploaded it, you just click on the change image, and you can upload any image which you want. Okay, suppose I want to change the any of the images, you just go on the pictures, or you download the picture from the website, from the Google, and you can choose on the image. Okay, so in this way you can insert the image here. And then this is the layout which I have chosen. I have chosen the text box, and here I have placed the content about the department. Or you can just tell that it can be a overview of the department. Suppose I want to change it as overview. So, overview of the department. Okay, you can type anything. Okay, this is the thing. Here, see here, I have inserted the text. Okay, then you can add some of the pages. Okay, now here I have added faculty, classes, activities, and contact. Suppose you want to add, first there will be initially only home page will be there. Suppose I want to add a new page like achievements. Now faculty, students might have many achievements. Okay, so I'm just adding, click on the plus symbol, you will get a message like this, new page. Okay, suppose I want the achievements, I want to add it. Achievement. Okay, the achievement page, I am inserting it. Just see, if you click it, it is added in this. Okay, like this I have let's just press the plus symbol, and you can add one by one all the pages which you want in your website. Okay, in this way you can add. Now coming into the achievement, just click on this achievement page. Okay, you will be just moving on this. Okay, another one thing I will tell you. Suppose in the achievement you want to add a sub-page, achievement of a faculty. So that also you can add faculty or student. So I am adding two pages here. Inside the achievements, just click the three buttons and put add sub-page. Okay, so achievement of a student, achievement of a faculty. Okay, like this sub pages can be added. Okay, so this is the main home page. From the home page you can just go on to all the pages where you have added it, and this is the sub page. Okay, the view which layout which I have stated is this one. Okay, so this one the achievement section. So we can just move on to the achievements here, and you can type any text you want to add it. Okay, in this way you can add the achievements. Okay, now this is the okay. Now here the layouts we can change, as I told you. Text box, any text box. Suppose I want to insert a text box, just click on this text box, you will get a new text box here. Suppose I want to insert an image, you can just insert the click on the image, upload the picture. Okay, here I will just upload one picture. There are, I think there is no picture added here. I will just download one picture and we will try to upload it. Okay. Uh, Images of flowers. If you want any picture, just please download it. Save images. Okay, in pictures I am saving it. Okay, you can just save and you can upload the image from here. In the pictures I have added the picture, just you can insert the image. Okay, and any text box, if you want to add any text, you can just use the text box, you can type it here. Okay, like this you can insert the images, pictures, text box. Okay, the page will be like this. Okay, like this you can add one by one pages. So you will just go to the home page and see here the all these icons will be all these pages which you have inserted, no achievement, faculty, class, activities, it can be displayed here. Now you just click on this, you can get the home page. Achievement, in achievement I have two things which have been added, faculty and student for me. Okay, then faculty details are there, this page. Okay, then you can go to the classes. This one, in the classes I have uploaded the syllabus, just go to it and you can click on here. Okay, if you want to add any text box, you can just use the insert tab. Okay, in insert text box thing, link also you can add it, any link. Suppose I want a ebook, I am having an ebook, that ebook you can save it in your drive and you can just click on the URL link here. Okay, so that it will be attached. Okay, any drive link can be uploaded. Okay, now see, yeah, sample, this is the one thing which I have told you. Another one site I will show it to you, which have been created under my name. Okay, like that you can, for your resume you can just click on that thing, you just have a sample view of that. Like this, see here I have inserted an for a logo, I have inserted the college logo, the name, the untitled name was there, no, I have given the college name, I have inserted, this is the layout which I have taken it. Okay, in BCA we have seen another one layout. Okay, like that any layout, whatever layout you want, you just choose it from here. Okay, then you can insert one by one. So in pages you just insert all the things, what are the things you want to in the menu, you can just insert it, academic profiles, your publications, whatever. Now what you will be having, you will be having your educational details. Okay, so your main profile in which you can have, you give your objective that I want to work in this field and this is the areas of interest for me. Okay, you can create your educational qualifications, your 10th 12th and your BCA qualification, BSc computer science, whatever course you are studying, you can just add it here. Okay, in educational qualifications. Apart from that, the other what are the softwares, you know it, anything, whatever additional qualifications you are having, you might, many of you might have done your typewriting, you might have done some additional courses outside the college, so that you can do it. And another thing which you can have is your achievement section. Okay, in achievement also you can list out what are the things where you have gone, you have participated in whichever competitions from to in your college or in outside the colleges, what are the prizes you have won. Okay, all these things you can just add it here. Okay, so one by one you can add it and you can just add all the details in the text box. Okay, so after that what you can do is you can just publish the work. Okay, once you have completed all these things, you have to just publish the work. Once you have designed all the things, you have to publish your work. Okay, you can have the publish settings, you can change it. Okay, just you have to just click the publish button. If you click the publish button, it will take few time in order to save all the details and it will be published. You can just share the link in which you are getting published. Okay, let's see, I will show you. This is the published thing. I have already published this review changes and publish. Okay, whatever changes. Suppose if you have changed anything, you just click on that. Here, see, a draft will be shown here, and the currently published item. It will take some time. The currently published item will be saved. Will be shown here. Okay, so this is the draft which in which you have changed the thing. Okay, so after doing all the things, if you see that all the things are perfect, then please click on the publish button. Okay, so your work will be published and it will be saved. Once you want to share it with your thing, you just click the view published site. Okay, just click on this thing, view published site. Okay, so the site will be published and your name will be given here. See, please see here, in this shashuncollege.edu, another profile, this name will be come automatically. Now wherever you want to share it, you have to share this one. Okay, so I will again repeat it. First you have to take a blank sheet. Okay, you have to select, you have to design the thing. See, we have untitled site which we have seen, which we have selected at that time. Just this is the untitled type. Suppose what is your name, xxx, we will do it. Okay, just you can type your profile or anything, or suppose I want to give it for a particular organization, the organization name you can type it here. Okay, suppose I'm doing it for a blood bank. Okay, just let us take, we are doing it for the blood bank company. Okay, so for the blood bank we will be just creating the website. Okay, you can do like this, any content you can add it here. Okay, then we can insert the pages. This is the home page. For what purpose you have created this particular website, you can share it here. You can share the images, you can share additional information, everything you can share. Then I want to insert a page. Okay, so just click on the plus thing and you can use this. Okay, here the blood group, suppose I am including the blood group. Okay, I'm just including here blood group, so this page will come, blood group page. Here I can just insert a text box. See here the types of types. So the blood group can be A positive, A negative, okay, B positive, like this, all the blood groups you can use it. Okay, and if you want to add any content, you can just minimize this, add another text box here, and you can additionally use that text box. Okay, you can just minimize it, just choose the layout and you can set it. You can add any other information. Suppose I want to add it, you can please add it here. Okay, any additional information or some images for these particular web group. Okay, all these things you can add it here. And then for another thing, you can just insert next group availability. So availability in the hospitals, availability. So availability, you can use this one. So home, blood group, then availability in the hospitals. You can just insert all the information. Suppose I want to insert a link. Suppose blood bank details I want to insert. You can please insert the link here. Okay, you can insert the link. Suppose it is HTTPS. Just a rough link. I am inserting it for the demo only. Okay. Suppose Apollo I am using. Apollo Hospital. Okay, just a sample. This is not the URL. It can't be important because it is not a correct URL. Okay, just for sample, you can just type the correct link here and you can use an insert symbol. Okay, so in this way you can insert the link so that suppose the availability hospital, I can just click on this link and I can go there. Okay, and at the top you can see here, once I have inserted all the pages, you can see home page is coming, blood group page is coming, availability page is coming. Like this, one by one, all the things you have to use. Please manage. Yes, ma'am. So like this, one by one, you can insert it and you can add your data. At the end, at the end, what you should do is you have to click the publish button. Okay, after you do all the things, you have to use the publish button. This is the thing. Suppose I want to use the blood bank itself, bloodbank.com. Use only lowercase. Okay, just blood bank. Okay, enough. So see here, when you type the name, your the link, it will be created like this: http sites.com Shashan College, because I comes under the, I have used my college domain ID. It is coming as shashancollege.edu.in in that blood bank. Okay, now like this you can use, and then you can change the settings to view. Who and all can view, anyone can view, you can use it. I want only my college to view my website, then you can use anyone at the Shashan College can view. Like that you can just manage the settings and you can use it. Okay, to whom and all you want to give the access, you can use it. Okay, so the name you should give it before publishing your site. Okay, once you give the name, you just click on the publish button, your site will be published. Okay, so this is the simple way. There is no coding required, nothing is required, just your creativity should be there. With the help of your creativity, you can design a website of your own and you can publish it. Okay, so if you want to the site name, if you want to use, just click on the thing, view the settings. See here, sites, this is your site name. So this site name you can give it to anyone. Okay, once you have published it, this is the site name which you can give. Okay, okay, ma'am. So hope this is clear. Okay, so this is the way in which you have to create your site. Okay, so this is the thing which I want to tell you. Okay, so I will just refresh through my PPT. Okay, so after this we have seen, so you know how to create the website. You have to go into the Google Apps, there you have to create the site button. Otherwise you can use https sites.google.com. Okay, like you can use it. They use this, you will get a plus symbol, blank template will come. You have to go into that and it is all the web pages, everything you can design it. So we have seen how we have created the thing. Okay, so hope this is clear. Okay, the next one is the, yeah, this is the just sample things which I have shown you. Okay, the next one is the Canva. Yeah, yes. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Uh, so the next thing which we are going to see is Canva. Okay, so Canva, it is one of the most popular online graphical design software. Okay, so this is the software which is used for designing any brochures. The suppose you want to design a brochure, you want to design a of your own posters like that. Okay, for your students like you are going for many competitions, poster designing competitions, logo designing competitions, all these things can be designed in Canva. Okay, earlier we have, you might have heard about Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Monkey, like that. Many designer multimedia softwares were there. Okay, multimedia softwares also we can use it, but there what is the problem means, in Photoshop you should know how to use that particular tool. Then only you can go easily into the Photoshop and you can use it. Okay, and it is also not open source. You need a Photoshop software for that. Okay, but Canva is one of the open source software. You can just download it, and you no need to download also. You can use the free trial itself. In the Google, you can use the free trial. You can design the poster easily, and there is all the text boxes, alignment, everything. You can be. It can be a pakka one. You can just click and drag, and you can fix it off. Okay, so Canva is one of the things which you can design your banners, logos, posters, and all the PPTs also. The presentation, suppose for a seminar you want to design a presentation means, that also you can do it in the Canva. Okay, it is very useful for a tool for you. Okay, now the benefits of Canva is, it is, as I told you, it is open source, no need of the software. You can just go into the Google. Paid version is also there and a free version is also there. You can just go to the free version and you can use it. Okay, so the free design platform is there. No skills is required. In Photoshop you need a small skill. At least you should know how to use the Photoshop's tools and all. Okay, but here there is nothing is required. Everything is in the user friendly to you. All the things will be visible. You have to just click and drag and you have to use it. The creative design alone, it should be there in your mind. You can just design it. It is very user friendly. Okay, as well as I will tell you an option. There is a create a team, in which team of you can join together to design a poster. Okay, suppose for a poster competition, 5 members or 3 members is required in a team. All three can sit at your home. You can share it, the particular software in a team, and all three of you can edit. Okay, it is just like the Google Docs which we are using it. Hope you know the Google Docs. In the Google Apps, we have seen the sites option. In the same thing, the Docs is there. Google Docs. Okay, in the Google Doc, it is a Word document, and anyone can access it. If you share it among your team, that is, share it among your friends, all the 5 friends or 6 friends, to whomever you have shared, all of you can edit in that. Okay, that is the benefit of Google Docs. Just like that, here in Canva also, you can create a team with your mail ID. Your mail ID is required for this. With the help of the mail ID, you can create a team, and all the members can design the poster at a time. Okay, all of you can do online at a time, and you can design the things whatever is required in Canva. Okay, that is the main benefit of that. Now we will see about the Canva. The Canva extension is, you can note it down, www.canva.com. Okay, now we will just go for a live demo. Okay, now what you have to do is www.canva.com. Okay, you have to type it here. Okay, in the URL thing you have to type it here. Just click on that. It will ask for your mail ID. You have to give the mail ID. Okay, now here I have already gone into my mail ID, BC department. This mail ID I have already gone into it. It is just, you can go in through the Google. I will just share it. Wait. Yeah. When you type www.canva.com, you will be getting this screen. Okay. Yeah. And it will ask for your mail ID. Okay. You can go with the help of your mail ID. You can go there. Okay. Now I will show the live demo itself. Okay, now this is the first page which you will be getting after going through the mail ID. Okay, now here you can have a button, create a design. You can click this. Otherwise, see here down, it is given many things. You can design a presentation, you can design a brochure, you can design a poster, infographics, that is like a template. Okay, you can Instagram post also you can use here. Many of you will be using Instagram. You can design the Instagram post through this. Okay, and also the flyers. Okay, flyers. Now you will be conducting many competitions in your college. At that time you need a flyer to design it. You can have a flyer, logo designing. Okay, your resume also you can create it here itself. The Google sites I have told you, that also you can use. Otherwise you can use the resume here. Any videos also you can create it. Okay, then graphs you can create, a document, business card. Okay, some of you may in need of business card. At that time you can design it here itself. Okay, like this many options are given. Newsletter, our college newsletter, we will tell the students to design the newsletter. No, at that time you can use this one, create a template. Magazine cover you can use. Okay, all these things are a photo collage that mostly you will be doing with the help of any of the tools in your play store. Okay, you are using Photoshop, photo collage. You can use it Canva also. In Canva also, these are things which are available. Okay, this tool is free for some time. Otherwise it will be going for the pro version it is paid one. Okay, see here the pricing, free tool is there, all these things. Okay, so it is mainly used for the educational purpose. Okay, now when you click on this create a design, you will be getting all the things what you want to design it. You can choose any one of thing from here. Okay, like suppose I want to create a brochure or poster, you can just click on the poster option. Okay, when you click on the poster options, you will get all the menus here. Okay, and see here many templates will be given. This is the template option which is by default. Okay, just you have to click on the template. Many templates will be given. You can choose anything for you. Okay, these are the recently used. See here many templates will be there. Suppose I want to use this, I can just click on this. Okay, I will be getting the layout here. Otherwise if you want a blank template, that also you can use. Okay, now here instead of this I will just deleting it. I am typing of my own thing. Okay, you can just type on this. See, you can place a text box. Okay, I will just delete it. You can use a text box, add a heading. See here a heading is added. Okay, I have clicked it twice I think so. Yeah, single time you can click it. You can add a heading. You can just click and drag it here. Okay, this is the thing. You can, if you want to increase the size, you can place, you can do it. Okay, just increase the size to your flexibility. Okay, you can increase the size of the screen, add a heading. Okay, you can just type whatever you want here. Whatever you want here, you can type it. Okay, anything. Okay, suppose I'm doing it for a conference, you can just type conference. Okay, like this you can type it. You can create your own thing. Whatever thing is not required, you can please delete it. Okay, like this you can add it. So this is the text box which we have added of different styles. You can use different styles also. Okay, everything is given here. You can just make use of that. Okay, and suppose I want to insert any image. At that time you have to upload this one. Okay, any images can be uploaded. The background colors can be changed. Suppose I want to change it to this color, you can just add it. You can just change the colors, background colors. Okay, we can change the background colors. Like this you can design. This is the first page. Okay, like this you can add any number of pages. Okay, you can just add any number of pages and you can use it. Okay, so this is the photos option. Also many photos will be given. You can just use click and drag, and you can the photo will be inserted. Which place you want, you can just put it off. Okay, now this is the photo. Means this photo I can just move it to anywhere and I can use it. Okay, like this photos, any designs which you want it, you can just see. like this. We can just insert it and you can make the poster to look good. Okay, you can add pages. So this is the background color which have been changed, which I have selected, so it is in this color. Now whatever you want. Now see here, black thing is added, blank blank page is added. You can just text it here. Anything you want to insert, you can insert like this. So the designing is very easy here. Okay, you can upload all the things and you can use it. Is it clear? Okay, so in this way you have to use it, as well as you can give some animation effect, but it is not too so much animation. It is simple animations only they have given now, just like your PPT. Okay, like this you can use animations also, animate also. See here, just rotate thumb like that, base pop up, like this the thing only you can use it. Okay, so animation effect, everything you can use it. So whatever design you want to make, you can make it. You can add the pages, everything you can do, and then at the end you have to print the poster. Okay, at the end you have to print the poster means it will ask the size, sometime A3, A4, A2, A3, whatever thing. Okay, and how much copies, everything that you can be printed. Okay, suppose if you have designed your poster, after that you can also share it with your friends. Just click on the share button, you can give some name so that it can be shared. Okay, so suppose I want to you can add the mail ID of the of your friends to whom you want to share the poster. You can also make them as a owner so that they can also edit it. As I told you, teamwork you can do. You can make them as an owner and you can tell them to edit. Okay, at the end, after you did all the designing, you have to just click on this download button. You have to just click on this download button. It will be downloaded as a PDF file. It will be downloaded as a PDF file. Okay, so it will be downloaded. You can just click on the download button. It will take few seconds only. Yeah, it is, your poster is successfully downloaded. You can download now. Okay, so in this way you have to, and if you want to get the shareable link, that also you can use it. Okay, so in this way you can download this. Sorry, this is the conference.pdf. This is my brochure which we have designed. Okay, so see how easy it is. Just I have added only one text box and some of the images. You can make it of your own. You can just create a thing of your own and you can design the poster. So this is very simple way and you have to download it. That's all. Okay, so in this way you can design it. And if you see like this, this is the thing for the for our college invitation we have designed it. So like this you can design it. Okay, and you can the output will be in the PDF form only. Okay, so you just, what you have to do is you have to must have a Gmail account. Through the Gmail account, log in into this and you can do it. Okay, so this is the poster designing, everything. Now the team which will be very helpful for you, I will tell you. um, the team which I told you, no? See here, the invite members. This one plus symbol. Here we can see no plus symbol. In this you can have an invite. You can create your own team. Suppose you are having 5 members. You want to work as a team. You please put on the mail ID of all the 5 students. Okay, and then get invite link. Any number of students you can add it, plus add another one. You can just add any number of students and you can create a link for them, so they will be as a team. See here, I have created for BCA. Under BCA many, yeah, I can add many members. Okay, all of them can be using all these settings which I am using. It is shared with you. Okay, so in this way you can create a team. So this is the main benefit of Canva. Okay, hope it is clear. Okay, so just a refresh about this through the slides we will see. See here in the Canva, you have to use www.canva.com. Okay, you have to go through your mail account, Gmail account. Free trial you can use. Just click on the create a design and all the things, whatever it can be created. Canva gives many options. All the options will be displayed. You can create anything. Okay, now suppose I want to create a brochure. Now this is the brochure thing which I have taken. Just go on to this. Templates will be given. Choose a needful template which you want. You can edit on that. Otherwise, you can choose a blank thing. You can go on that also. Create a design like this, and then add the text box. Everything you can use. At the end, please put the download button. Click the download button. When you click the download button, your designed brochure, poster, PPT, or whatever you have designed, Instagram post, whatever thing, it will be converted into PDF and you can download it. Okay, so this is the way. It is a simple way in which you can use it. Okay, so with this, I think we can have a end of this. You have any doubt, please put it in the chat box so that we can just clarify it. If you have any doubt, please put on the chat box so that we can clarify now itself. You please go and try website development. Website also, you please try it off. It will be helpful for you. How to design the website, add the pages, see how to it. Everything will come in the menu. You can just click and drag it the way in which you want. You can just choose it. Okay, that is one thing. And then the next one is the Canva designing. Canva designing, as I told you, for poster, everything you can create, and for PPT also we can do it, ma. In this Canva we can have for the PPT also. Now no need for the only Google PPT alone, you need not use it. Here also you can just use the PPT things. Okay, like see here, create a design, you can just choose presentation. See here, presentation also you can choose it. You can create a PPT and you can use it. Another thing, how you can create a this one, and you can share it with your team, as I told you. This is Canva. Okay, now another one thing, I will tell you, in the Google apps also we are having the PPT, Google PPT. Okay, that also you can share it with your friends and you can use it. PPT is also there. And then see here, slides. Okay, slides, this option, this is Google PPT. It comes through the Google website. Okay, so that also, see, like this many PPTs you can create, and this PPT can be shared with your friend. This is Google slide. Okay, this is Google slide. Okay, like Google slide, I will just also tell you, there are Google sheets. Hope these things everybody of you know it. Okay, Google sheets, Google sheet is Excel sheet. Google Forms, now in nowadays for collecting the feedback and all, for registration purpose, Google Forms will be used. I think everything will be known to you. If you doesn't know, please go on to this. These are everything is used for designing purpose only. Okay, for registration form designing, for feedback designing, Google Forms. For your mark sheet designing, Google Sheets can be used. And sites is website sites, which we have seen it. Okay, Docs, this is Google Docs. This you can share it with your friends so that all of you can edit at a time. Okay, this one. Next one is the Google Slides presentation. Okay, this is through the Google things. We can do it. And the contacts, if you click your mail, because all of you are using smartphone nowadays, you can have the contact details here also. Okay, and mostly it will be there because our mail ID in the mobile phone is connected with our thing, so it will be there in the contacts will be there. Okay, like that, photos, whatever photos you can use, you can just use it. Okay, Google Classroom also, you know it, you might have used that. So all these things are the thing, everything it belongs to Google. You can make all use of all these apps. Okay, calendars, you will be using it for creating the link and all. For Google Meet link, you will be using it. This something you will be using, you are all knowing it. Drive also, you know, in the drive, if you save it, it will be for a long lasting time. Okay, so these are the many apps in Google which you can use it for your benefit. Okay, as well as Canva. Canva is also one of the easiest way for designing many things. Use it. If you have any doubt, tomorrow you can just share your doubts with me. If you have any doubt, put it in the chat. We will see that.
Thank you, ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
for your interesting first day session on the open source tools for creating design. We hope that this session would have benefited our participants with detailed skills required on how to use the open source tools for creative design. Thank you, participants, for your attention and patience during the session. It's now time for the participants to seek clarity on the topic, if any, from our guest speaker. Participants can raise their queries by typing the questions in the chat box. Any questions, Mark, from your side? Any questions, participants? You can post it in the chat box. Ma'am, the question is from Dr. T.R. Srinivasan.
Yes.
I am unable to see the sites option in the Google Apps.
Okay. Sir, if you are not able to wait, sir, I will just share the screen. Yeah, now I've shared my screen. Now this is my mail ID. In the Google Apps, you have to use it. Suppose if you are not getting it, see, sir, at the end of the more from Google Workshop, more workspace. Okay, more. This option will be there, sir. You have to just click on the more button. If you click on the more button, automatically you will be getting many options will be there. From there, site option will surely come, sir. This and all are coming because I'm using it frequently. If you are not having that option, please click on to this more button, sir. In the Google Apps, the more button will be there. Just click on that. You will be getting the sites option there, so that you can use it. Once you use it, next time automatically it will come. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Participants, if you have any questions, you can post it in the WhatsApp group, and we can even clarify the queries, seeing the questions in the WhatsApp group. Any more questions, ma'am? Ma'am, we will collect the questions from the WhatsApp group, and maybe we can even get the clarification tomorrow after the session also, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for your patience in hearing and clarifying to the questions sought by the participants. I think with this, we would like to end up the today's session, and we would be glad to hear again from you in the tomorrow's session, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sure.
Thank you all.
Thank you.